In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exit full screen mode in various scenarios, specifically while navigating through folders, files, and using your browser. Let's dive in and make these steps as simple as possible, ensuring you can transition between full screen and normal view with ease whenever you need to. First things first, if you find yourself stuck in full screen mode while viewing a folder or file on your computer, especially on a Windows operating system, here's what you need to do. Start by selecting the folder or file that you want to exit from full screen. You can easily do this by clicking on the area within the folder or file window that is currently open. This action ensures that the window you want to work with is active and ready for the next step. Next, you'll want to locate the Minimize button. You'll find this in the top right corner of your window. It's usually represented by a small box or dash icon, depending on your operating system and version. Clicking on this icon will effectively reduce the size of your folder or file window, bringing it back to its original dimensions, or, depending on your settings, minimizing it to your taskbar. If your aim is to continue working in this window without it taking up the full screen, this step will be your go-to move. Now, turning our focus to web browsers like Google Chrome, exiting full screen is actually a pretty straightforward process as well. If you ever find your browser window occupying the entire screen, and you wish to revert it back to a normal window view, there's a handy keyboard shortcut for you. Simply press the F11 key on your keyboard. This function is like a toggle switch, allowing you to move in and out of full screen mode effortlessly. It's quite convenient for those times when you want to focus solely on your web page without any distractions, and just as easily switch back to your multi-window browsing setup. This process of toggling full screen using the F11 key comes in particularly handy in environments where you may not have immediate access to your mouse or trackpad, or in presentations where you want to impress with seamless transitions. And just like that, we're done. It's really that simple. By following these steps, you now know how to quickly and effectively exit full screen mode, whether you're working within files, folders, or browsing the web on browsers like Google Chrome. Mastering these shortcuts and tips will undoubtedly enhance your user experience, making your computer easier and more intuitive to use. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try these steps a couple of times to get a feel for it, and soon it'll become second nature. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Until next time, happy navigating.